In this episode of Bobscaping, we're looking at the fourth member of our Toro Flex Force. Just got delivered by FedEx. So these are the 24-inch hedge trimmers or shears. You can see I've put the smaller battery I have from an earlier tool. I think it came with the leaf blower. I've attached it. I think the larger battery that came with the snow thrower would probably be too heavy for these, but of course these detach like this. So when I purchased this tool, I purchased it as a bare tool without the battery. So it cost somewhere around $150 from Home Depot, and I thought we'd look at it today, and then tomorrow we're going to give it a shot on the famous boxwood that we shear every year this time of year. So yeah, these are the blade guards here. They slide over there to keep those on when you aren't using it, because of course those blades are sharp enough to cut you just bumping them. And when you aren't using the tool, you want to keep the battery out of it. That keeps you from making any accidental mistakes with it. Couple nice features. It's got this blue button here where you can actually turn the handle to one side like that. So if you were trimming the side of a hedge, you'd have the handle sideways. And then the same goes if you want to do the other side of the hedge. You press that button and flip it, and this lines up better with your hand instead of having it in more of an awkward position. The tool has two safeties. Has this switch underneath the handle here, which has this guard in front with the product information on it, and then a safety here. So to get it to run, we'll go ahead and slide the battery in. Snaps into place. You first press this safety here on the handle, and then you squeeze this one, and then it's ready to run. So let me take the guards off here. Again, I'll disconnect the battery, take the guards off, we'll snap the battery in place, pull this safety and this one, and there you hear the operation. Pretty quiet, and definitely they aren't going to put out any fumes like they're going to put out all the 2-cycle fumes like my old Echo pruners. I'm going to take the battery back out and put the guards back on these blades. I've always preferred the pole type pruners where these blades end up farther away from your hands. This is seems pretty foolproof with the safeties the way they are, because basically you got to keep both hands, one on the trigger and one on this loop, to operate them. So the main thing then, of course, is just not touching your body with the blades. All right, so tomorrow we'll give them a try on the boxwood. We'll wait till the air's cooler and the shrub is more turgid. It'll cut a lot cleaner if it's cool. If you cut them in the heat of the day, they can be semi-wilted and not cut quite as clean. All right, for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.